If you want to cancel your FuboTV free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly before the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FuboTV website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to subscription. In your account settings menu, look for the subscription or billing section. This is where you can manage your subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation of your free trial. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email from FuboTV. Make sure to check your inbox to ensure that your cancellation has been processed. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your FuboTV free trial before it converts to a paid subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to FuboTV customer support.